Hi, my name is Richard C. I'm a math tutor at Wyzant, answering a question submitted by a student. This one, questions from geometry. It has to do with exterior angles and interior angles. Most people are comfortable with the idea of an interior angle, but they're not too comfortable with the idea of an exterior angle. So I'm just going to do a exterior angle. I'm going to use this drawing tool to look at a pentagon. So here we are with a pentagon, and I'm going to put the interior angles are what we normally work with, but the exterior angles are not. So I'm going to just show you how to find the exterior angles. What you do is you just take a side and just extend it. So I'm going to extend it to the right here. Oops, that's supposed to be a different color. So let me fix that color there. Okay, I'm sort of extending it to the right here, and that's my exterior angle. And now I have to move in the same direction going up. So I'm going to extend that. Then I'm going to move over here and extend that. Notice how I'm just going counterclockwise here. You can go counterclockwise like I'm doing, or you can go clockwise. Doesn't matter. And then you just fill in the angles. So the green angles are the exterior angles. The black ones are the interior angles. And that's the way you draw external angles on a polygon. Now, a lot of people don't know how to do that. So I thought I'd start with that. Now, what they're saying is, in this problem, they're saying that the interior and exterior are congruent. And you can see that what that would mean is that this has to be 90 here, 90 degrees, and this one would also have to be 90 degrees, because when you take the interior angle and the exterior angle, they're adjacent and they form a straight line. And because in the problem we're told that these two angles are congruent, the only way they can form a straight line is if we have 90-degree angles. So that rules out the hexagon and it rules out the triangle. We just can't do it. We just can't make that happen in a triangle. In a right triangle, you can make the right angle work, but the other two angles in the triangle won't work. So basically, we're left with a rectangle or a square. So let me just do a rectangle here. So if you think of the rectangle, the interior angles are inside, and those are 90. And then the exterior angles, I'll just draw those in the same fashion I did before. So just going to extend this and extend this and extend this and extend this. You can see the exterior angles in green here are also 90. And so this satisfies the condition that the exterior and interior angles are congruent. However, the rectangle isn't going to work because of this condition. It has to be a regular polygon. Now, a regular polygon is a polygon whose sides and angles are all congruent. And that's not true for a rectangle because the sides are not congruent. You can see that the length and width are not congruent. They can be congruent if we're dealing with a square, which is a special kind of rectangle, but only a square will give us what we want, where this is a regular polygon and the angles are all right angles. Here, this is not a regular polygon. A regular polygon requires all the sides to be congruent. And so the answer here is square. Oops. I shouldn't have done that. It was in the wrong tool. Let me just change the color. So here we are. Here's our answer, is the square. So this has two challenges. The first is to be able to understand exterior angles and draw them. And then the other is to just know this vocabulary about how a regular polygon is defined in geometry. If you put those two things together, the only possible answer is square. Okay, well, that's it for this problem. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.